Finally got the room to myself so I can finally make this video. Hi, I'm Bobbyblue and this is my first reaction video. And the song I have for you today is... I think I forgot. No, it's Illbliss's Fireworks and it's mad, so we should check that out together, like right now.
It's Illbliss Productions.
Illibanga, 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 Pratatata, Illibanga, Illibanga, Because Sino Bulu got a pure when I tag up one is about for beef and blow. One a couple cold city on my back, knee heaven on my arm, nature's a warning, Kafadekwa, nature's a warning, Kafadekwa sharp, and yes, you look at the game, and you don't got the motherfucking man.
Illbliss forever, like forever, ever, forever. Like seriously, for years, this nigga been killing, and he's not even stopping. He's not even.
But you got the padlock, find out, 2 for the key. If you could, then when you go be, and what a boss are, Kim and Kaza. Illibanga, 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 Pratatata, Illibanga, Illibanga,
This song makes you feel like having a lot of money just so you can go to the club, find a girl, and spend it all on her. That's what this kind of music makes you want to do. You just want to splurge, you know? Just splurge for no reason.
Wanty, it's about Wanty, Kadubadi here fugo. But to all the money, Illy Kababando. I got Kutukwagi here, nigga, don't fumble. So you made a little money, little feminaba. Umu boys, I pocket the go money daza. King, stunting. Illy got it always in the something. I don't know about Jesso. One of my guys, I ain't future guy, I'm Milligato. Cause we came from the ghetto.
How can I achieve such Igbo fluency? And should we just take a second to like thank this Kezi Clef? This is some unique sounds right now, like Kezi Clef, you know, you're man. Right. We can't play the whole song. Go download the song. The song title is Illbliss Fireworks, and remember to subscribe and follow me up on Twitter and Instagram at Bobbyblue101 and add me up on Facebook at Wesley14. Remember to follow StruNtv on all social media platforms. Have fun.